Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. This will show you how to deploy QuTScloud on Huawei Cloud. Go to QNAP Download Center and select QuTScloud. Download a QuTScloud VMDK image file. Go to the Huawei Cloud portal and log in with your credentials. Go to Object Storage Service and create a bucket. Specify the bucket details, then click Create. You can see the created bucket on the bucket list. Click the bucket to upload object. Add the QuTScloud image, then click Upload. You can see the uploaded image on the object list. Go to Image Management Service and create a private image. Select the bucket and the QuTScloud image we uploaded. Check the image details, then click Submit. You can see the image on the image list. Go to Elastic Cloud Server and buy ECS. Select the billing mode and machine specifications you want to use. Must have at least 2 GB of RAM available. Select the private image we created. Add a data disk. QuTScloud requires at least 48 GB of storage, but we recommend 200 GB of storage. Configure network. Enter ECS name. Check the ECS details, then click Next. After the ECS created, you can access QuTScloud by using the IP address displayed on the Details page. Click the Start Smart Installation button to initialize QuTScloud. You can find the initialize video in the description. Thank you for watching.